thought is just a thought. Don't believe in thoughts. When you sit for a meditation, when you close your eyes, millions of thoughts come and go. That is why the Zen teaching says that thoughts will come and go. Don't serve them tea, meaning don't entertain those thoughts. So many positive and negative thoughts will come and go. When you close your eyes, you may start having thoughts about your office, about your work, about your family. Don't entertain any of these thoughts. Focus on your breathing. Focus on the mantra that you are chanting. That is why chanting is extremely significant when it comes to your spiritual journey. That is why Guru Nanak says, Naam Japo. That is why Sant Kabir emphasizes on chanting. Bhagwan Raman Maharshi says that through chanting, your mind becomes one-pointed. So your concentration becomes better and better. Swami Muktananda, the disciple of Swami Nityananda, also signifies the importance of chanting. So when you sit for meditation, first spend a few minutes in chanting and then start meditating. And remember, thought is just a thought. Don't believe in thoughts. I am the body, I am the mind. It is a thought. There is no reality in it. Because as soon as this body is gone, where is the I? Where is the mind? We say that death comes, but even death is not a reality. It is also a thought. Because the self, the soul, never dies. It just changes the appearances and names, but it remains. The self remains. Focus on this self. And to do so, start meditating every day. 20 minutes in the morning and 20 minutes in the evening. And when you meditate, don't forget to chant. Enough for today. Jai Sri Ganesha. Jai Guru.
ॐ गं गणपतये नमः। ॐ गं गणपतये नमः। ॐ गं गणपतये नमः।